Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to earn money selling Notion calendars on the internet. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically there are several ways to earn money, but the method is the same. You will need just to go to your Notion application, either like the desktop app or you can just use the web app. After that, you will need just to start creating your own Notion templates. How to do so? You will need just to start creating your own pages. You will need just to add to them. You can add uh, basically you will need just to have calendars. So basically you will need just to start adding new calendar view, and of course they will need table from where you will need just to have data. So we will have these templates as an example. So basically here where you have the data, here you have the date, the name of whatever you like, and here you can find the status, and it can be anything else. And basically they added a calendar view to these posts. So basically this is only a table. As you can see here, we can just create new and we can find table. We need just to find table, and this is kind of a table. So after having your own table, you will need just to click on having a calendar view. To have a calendar view, I will just add something on this page. I will just create not stable this time, but we are just going to create a calendar view. Then you can have the data from something, and something is my table that I have just created. So basically, you will have your own calendar view and you can start designing however you like your view to be. So either you can start having things like that, etc. After that, you will need just to share your templates. Basically, after creating your own templates, you give it a name, you do whatever you like, and those are like the elements of these templates that I have found on the Notion templates. You click on share, you publish, you click on publish, and then it will be able to be duplicated. So basically you will need just to have this link, go to the view side, and as you can see, everyone can just come to this template and start duplicating it. And here you will need just to go to some marketplace where you can deliver or submit or publish your work. So basically you have only several options. Either you can go to the Gumroad and start like having this link and sharing your templates, or you can go to Etsy and start selling these digital markets. I mean these digital products. And if we go for digital, let's just go for Notion calendar. Here we can see that there are many people who are like selling their Notion calendars or Notion templates. We go here and we click, and basically when you add the cards, and after that you will have only one type PDF, and this PDF will contain the link to these templates, and simply you will need just to have the link to your templates that we have just seen, and make sure it is private or anyone with the link who can be able to go to the template, and after that you will be able to give it a price, etc. Otherwise, you can just go to Notion Joy, which is the marketplace of Notion, where you can submit your own templates. So let's just click on Browse Templates. Here we can see all the Notion templates where we can have our Notion marketplace. So basically, you will need just to click on Submit. So you will need just to submit your own templates, and you will need just to start to fill in this form, and you will be able to earn money you selling calendar Notion templates. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.